Hello everyone, I'm Rakshith Pai and today I'll talk about one such company that owns one of the largest chains of amusement parks in India. And now that the third wave seems to dial down, is it right time to invest in tourism? Yep, I'm talking about Wonderla Holdings Limited. Is it worth investing? Business introduction. Wonderla Holidays operates three major cities, that is in Bangalore, Hyderabad and Kochi. Wonderla is one of India's leading amusement park operators, having entered the market in the year 2000. The money generated by the park is seasonal, with peak attendance occurring during the weekends and school vacation days. Typically the month of April to June quarters, that is the summer vacation days, and the festive season of October to December quarter, which put together contributes 60% of the park's revenue. Fundamental analysis. Financially speaking, the past 2 years was dreadful for not just the company but the entire industry. This in fact is clearly visible in the company's valuation. Company's operating income has declined by over 85% in the financial year 2021 and negative EPS is shown for the past many quarters since the beginning of the pandemic. We may expect betterment of earnings given the fact that the lockdown is eased around Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Wonderla is posting less than a sixth of its actual revenue and thus efforts have been made to curtail some of its operating expenses. The company was posting 40% in operating margin. It was doing good until now. Total liability, which includes provision and deferred tax liability, comes up to just over 90 crores. Liquidity and cash position is quite favorable at again over 90 crores. The company will be able to cover operating losses for several months unless there is some drastic actions which need to be taken, which by the way is not necessary. At present, the company can be valued at rupees 150 or 140 to 150 per share and is available at over 200 per share. The valuation may be justifiable if the company resumes its operation as usual as soon as possible. Technical analysis. Technically speaking, the company's stock has been in a bearish trend since 2018. We can expect the share price to go up only after some clear direction in regards to pandemic is noted. For now, it's more like catching a falling knife. Stock is trading in a mild bearish trend. There is no volume picking up, and if the stock breaches 225 levels and higher, then we can expect it to go as high as 300 range. SWOT risk analysis. Opportunity and strength. Number one, the business comes with high entry barriers. So Wonderla has very less competitors. Number two, Wonderla has been cautious about its cash and debt position. So their balance sheet is clean in this regard. And number three, Wonderla Chennai Park is set to begin in the year 2024 and that brings a good add-on to the already established portfolio. Weakness and threat. Wonderla's business is seasonal. Miss one quarter and the company's financials are thrown out all around. And it seems as if the company has seen its mature stage. Footfalls are low and dropping. There's nothing new in Wonderla. It seems old and dull. And the third, the company cannot carry on the way it is going with the pandemic at its shoulder. I mean, the situation truly showed how sensitive the business is. They need to diversify their income stream. Conclusion. I'm someone who hold high hope for Indian tourism industry, especially here on now that we are coming out of the pandemic slowly and going to new norm. Businesses such as amusement park, resorts, theatre, hotel chains, tours and travel has been hit hard these 2 odd years. And the strongest of the all survived very well with very little damage to their financials. One such company is Wonderla. But they really need to give something different, something they could make people's eyes shine. Until then, I would keep the company on my watch list. I give a rating of 6 out of 10 for the management's effort in handling these difficult times and keeping the company up and going. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.